we mainly overlook marketing when setting up a business. So when you set up a business, you have an assumption that your ideal market or your ideal clients will easily locate you and purchase the products from you repeatedly or refer you to additional people you can be able to sell to. Ignoring marketing has a great implication to the survival of your business and the profitability of your business. So marketing entails communicating, in most cases, with a wide array of your target market and trying to provide them with the information which they need to make a decision to purchase your products or your services. So when setting up a business, always consider what's my marketing plan and what's my marketing budget. So when it comes to marketing, there are different elements or through which you can be able to promote your business. And most of these entail a cost implication to your business in terms of both time and money. And these include the 5 key promotional mix elements. So first, you need to have a clear understanding of your advertisement. How are you going to advertise to promote your business? So this includes paid promotions, where you're able to target a large audience, where you are able to communicate with them your products, try and convince them or remind them about your products or services. You also need to have a clear understanding of your sales promotion. So this is creating an incentive for people to purchase either right now or within a specific time frame. You also need to have a clear public relations approach for your business. So this entails creating awareness that you exist within the market. Next, you need to have a direct marketing plan. How are you going to communicate directly to specific people who you believe are your ideal client or your current clients who you intend them to retain your products and services? Next, you need also to have a clear understanding of your personal selling. Personal selling entails building long-term relationships, or rather building long-term relationships with your target market, and through this you're able to get both sales and repeat sales and referrals. To learn more about marketing, you can click on the link here below, where we're providing a free marketing course for the first 50 business owners and individuals who are interested in learning more on practical ways through which they can be able to enhance their marketing.